how to use Nero. Okay, next what you're going to want to do is you're going to hit the next button. Now the final DVD burning stage comes up, and this is where you select where you want to burn. So it says current recorder. What you want to do is you want to pick, for this one, an image recorder. What that does is it records the global image. If you don't know what that is an image of your DVD. So for instance, if you have video product and the entire image looks primarily the same, if you use the image recorder, you can burn it directly to your hard drive and save it there, and whenever you want, all you have to do is pull up the image recorder, you pull up the image that it burned and burn it directly to DVD. For most part, if that's a little more confusing, just pick your DVD drive. For this one, it's D and it's a Sony drive. Now, some of the options when burning DVDs. Basically, I would keep it on automatic unless you really know what you're doing, but at first you want to make sure it's on automatic. And this is DVD high compatibility mode. This is if you're going to be using at least 1 gigabyte. Now, for instance, we did not use 1 gigabyte, so I want to take that off. Typically, if I'm burning videos or other products, if I'm going to burn less than a gig, I'll probably just burn it onto a CD.